Adventure Day. Where we going, y'all?
ATV riding.
ATV riding. Stay tuned. About to get on one of those. During our recent trip to Ruidoso, New Mexico, we decided to rent a 4-passenger ATV from Backcountry Attitudes. This made for an adventurous day where we were able to experience the beautiful scenery as well as some wildlife. Inside, the facility offers merch that you can purchase as well as an activity area if you come really early or if it's busy. So inside, we signed our waivers, got fitted for helmets, and we also watched a safety video so that we can properly use the ATV as well as remain safe throughout the course.
Okay, let's go. Jump!
Oh, this is something right here. Woo! This is something right here.
I think it was. Talking about some just the easy one. It probably is the easiest one. So you gotta worry about it. Think about it. You don't want to come out like.
Oh yeah, this is a farm right here.
Big fun, big fun.
Big fun, baby. what I was talking about? We see elk, deer, all kind of wildlife, horses. Beautiful, beautiful scenery out here. And it looks like it's drizzling on us right now.
Rain, oh my God. We're getting rained on now.
So we're currently sitting in a little traffic. There's some construction right here. But anyway, we're about to drop the ATV back off to Backyard Attitude. I don't know why I can't remember the name of the place. But anyways, we've seen quite a bit. The mountain view was beautiful. We just ran into a herd of deer. I don't know if there was some elk mixed in there, but of course we've seen plenty of those. Hopefully you can hear me. But yeah, it's been a great day. Here's all the traffic. My Buc-ee's snacks melted on our adventure today.